Welcome to another video, dear viewers. Today I'm in Birmingham again, walking around the Chinese Quarter and Gay Village. So let's go. As I move through these streets, there's a calm presence in the air, the kind that settles in naturally as the day goes on. Even in quieter moments, you can sense the energy here, waiting just beneath the surface. This part of Birmingham is known for its vibrant evenings, where the atmosphere slowly transforms as daylight fades. What feels relaxed now gradually becomes something more lively as lights begin to glow and the streets take on a different character. There's a strong connection to food and social life here. The area is filled with places to sit, unwind, and enjoy a meal, offering a wide mix of flavours and experiences. Even just passing by, you get a sense of how important dining and gathering are to this part of the city. Entertainment plays a big part in the identity of this area. From relaxed evenings to more energetic nights out, there's a variety here that suits different moods. It's a place where people come to connect, to celebrate, and to enjoy themselves in their own way. Even now, during a peaceful walk, you can imagine what it feels like later on. The same streets, the same surroundings, just seen through a different lens, with a new kind of energy. What makes it special is that balance. It can be calm and reflective, or vibrant and full of life, all depending on the time of day. And that contrast is what gives this part of Birmingham its unique charm. So whether it's a quiet stroll like this, or an evening spent exploring everything it has to offer, this is an area that continues to evolve, hour by hour, always offering something a little different.
And that brings us to the end of today's walking tour of Birmingham's Chinese Quarter. I hope you've enjoyed exploring this beautiful area with me. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more walking tours and travel videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.